been trying to get that for a long time. That's the first time I've ever caught a pike on a fly. Oh, nice little jack. Well up in the north of Scotland, and these guys are actually not meant to be here. That was pretty cool. Now I'm going to go sit down in the woods, out of the wind a little bit. Get this fish away. Hopefully you could hear any of that. Obviously it's really windy, so I'm not surprised if that's all just going to be noise. But anyhow, I've now got a fish in the bag. Didn't take long, probably only 20 minutes. Felt a bit longer out in the wind at the beginning. But anyhow, in the bag. I'm not going to just chill out for a little bit. I brought the spinning kit with to deadbait. The intention was to deadbait. You're allowed to here. So I might do that, but first I'm just going to chill out for a little bit and have a beer. So I've been trying to catch a pike on my fly gear for a year now. I mean, I only started fly fishing just over a year ago. So that's a bucket list item for me. And it's not bad, Jack. Not a bad Jack. Anyhow. Run for the triple easy. Give it the crack. Feeling good. So I just spent a good 20 minutes enjoying this space. Success with that. So this is something that I've been trying to figure out for a while, because I've found conflicting information on the web, and that's to do with releasing pike. I'm just north of Inverness, so well into the Highlands, and some people say that you are not allowed to release pike that have been caught. You have to kill them, and other people have said that you can release them. I haven't found any like government regulations about pike fishing up here. I personally am not going to take a fish that I'm not going to eat, so I'm going to carry on fishing, and if I catch any more pike, I'm going to release them afterwards, because I'm not just going to kill the fish for nothing. Anyhow, if you know, please drop a comment and yeah, enlighten us all, enlighten me. To the woods and out of the wind and the rain. The rain actually didn't really last, but anyhow, let's put this little drifting deadbait in and we'll see if anything picks it up. Hopefully somebody big. For now, obviously I can't fly fish in here, so I'm just going to sit and relax. There isn't even any space to spin, and I did bring a spinning rod as well, but it's okay. Take it easy, see what happens. So I've been sitting here with these dead baits for about an hour, and there's nothing going on. I know it's more of a long game, but unfortunately I don't have the time. It's getting a bit late, but I've managed to find a bit of trash lying around, so a few of the last dude's bait packets and cans. that crap with us. Leave it a little cleaner than we found it. Yeah, I'm gonna get these rods tidied up. I'll probably spin for a little bit. There's an open clearing over there, so I'm gonna take the bigger rod and maybe throw a lure or two, but that's all it for baiting. Find it a bit boring. Maybe we'll try another touch with the fly on the way back to the car. Doesn't seem like much is happening, and the rain's coming in, so we'll crack on the river mouth again, loch mouth. Have another go with the fly kit. I'm gonna have a go spinning just into this kind of mouth, into the loch. See how we go. After that, move back to the fly. Trout! I didn't expect that, but that's amazing. Probably didn't need the net there. How's that for a switch around for the day? A good old brown trout on the spinning gear and a pike on the fly. I'm going to keep this as well because I will be eating them both. Alright, let's get them cleaned up and turned off, essentially. Good night, tap. Feel him wiggle. He's finished. Alright, so he's now finished. Look at that. Beautiful. I didn't expect that. So I just got that brown trout on a sand eel imitation, a soft plastic sand eel, which I was thinking would do a pike in, but turns out that the brown trout are after the bigger fish too, which is good. It means that they're eating the pike. Nice. Alright, so it's about 8 o'clock now, and I've got some good fish, but I am going to fish the last stretch on the way back to the car, because why wouldn't I? But I'm just going to use the fly rod because that's just more fun. We'll see how we go. Last spot. See how we go. wind is enough to test your spirits. Yeah, really nice little jack. Oh, he's got a battle scar on him. Don't bite me, mate. Don't bite me. You did just bite me. Come on, I want to get you free. Alright. Nice little jack. He's got a... Come on, mate. He's got a bit of a battle scar on his face there. Yeah. Really pretty little fish. That's the second pike in one day on the fly. Beautiful little fish. The blood on my finger is mine, not the fish's. All right, let's get it back. The end of our session, and what a good one it's been, man. Gonna get home, cook those fish up. Might not film it just because I've got work tomorrow and it's coming on 9 o'clock, so might be a bit of a rush on it. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, or don't, it's up to you. Cheers, see you on the next one. The last little sign off. So I was busy tidying up around here my stuff, and this looks like about 40-pound line. Like, that's a lot of line just sitting in the bushes. Don't be that guy.